Would you like to tell Braava to mop when Roomba is done?
Yes.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
I have reviewed a few different robot mops in my life, but I have really had my heart set on the iROBOT Braava Jet M6. This is the mop itself. Inside this is your water tank. And this is your docking station and your charging station. It comes with 2 disposable wet pads and 2 disposable dry pads and a washable microfiber pad. They also throw in a couple of Bona cleaning packages. And you can see back here is where you want to install your power cord, like that. Now let's plug this base into the wall and you'll see this little light turn on. And then this just slips right over it. Now we just put this on the docking base and let it charge. We're gonna want to get the app going on our phone. You can either download it from the Play Store or you can scan this little barcode right here and you'll be set up in minutes. Braava 6 has 2 different modes, dry sweeping mode and mopping mode. It's supposed to recognize which format you've selected based on the type of pad that you put in. To insert these pads, you'll see here there's a little arrow and some little grooves right here. And this is actually a little sensor that determines which pad is in your mop. And you just slide it down the thing, and then there's some little Velcro pads on the side. You're gonna push them down on the mop. One of the things I really like is that it's compact enough to fit in smaller spaces, which is really important when you need to pick up hair. And if you've already mapped these spaces with your Roomba Vaccum, it uses the knowledge it's gained from Roomba to recognize which room in your house it is. As for the things I don't like, if you ask your Alexa to vacuum the floor, it will ask if you want to follow with the Braava Jet.
Would you like to tell Braava to mop when Roomba is done?
Yes.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Maybe they need to work on that a little bit. It will not run over carpet, so you have to pick it up and place it in each room that you have hard floors. It makes perfect sense because you definitely don't want that wet pad dragging all over your carpet. It would have been nice if they would include a handle on it, kind of like they do with the water tank. We have really hard water in our house, and occasionally it gets really crusty right along the nozzle and it won't spray. I get a can of spray air and I just spray right inside the little hole right there, and that usually takes care of the job right away. And to prevent buildup in the first place, I've started using distilled water. This is so expensive, and I actually got it on sale. Otherwise, this thing would not be in my house. And I'm probably gonna get several replacement microfiber pads so that I don't have to waste money on disposable pads. Other than that, I seriously love this thing, and I'm so glad I got it. If you're interested in getting your own iROBOT Braava Jet, I will put a link in the description below. Do you have a robot mop? What kind is it and how well do you like it? Leave me a comment and let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching.